Think someone is secretly obsessing over your Instagram profile, want to know exactly who is lurking on your page, watching your stories, and checking your photos? Today I'm showing you a hidden trick to catch an Instagram stalker red-handed. But fair warning, there's one crucial mistake people make at the very end of this process that ruins the whole trick, so make sure you stick around for that. Alright, let's grab your device and open up Instagram. First, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, and then hit the three lines at the top right. Head into settings and scroll down until you see where it says account type and tools, and tap on account type and switch to professional account. Don't worry about what category you choose here, just tap continue through the prompts. It's completely free and it unlocks the back-end tracking tools we need. Once your account is upgraded, hit the X at the top right to go back to your main profile. Now we're going to set up the trap. We need to add a highlight to your profile. Here's a crucial mistake I mentioned earlier. This trick will not work with your old stories. Even if you switch to a professional account, the analytics won't apply backwards. You have to post a brand new story right now. Post a new story. It can be a random photo or something subtle. And instantly add it to a new highlight on your page. Give it a few hours and open the highlight and swipe up. Because now you have a pro account. You'll see new insights tab that lists exact metrics and shows you exactly who took the bait. Boom. Stalker caught. If this device tip helped you out, please do me a massive favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps the channel grow so I can keep bringing you guys these hidden tech tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I'll catch you in the next one.